So hey, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about the if-else statement in C language. Okay, so let's explain this. If-else statement in C also used to control the program flow based on some condition. Only the difference is it used to execute some statement code block if the expression is evaluated to true. Okay, otherwise else statement code block. It means we have two statements in the if else statement. First is if and the second is else. In the program, if we our if statement is true, then this execute the first block of code, and if this false, it skip the if statement and goes to if else statement. Okay, as like the if the if condition is true, then execute this code, otherwise false, then execute the else statement. And in the otherwise else statement, in the else if condition goes true, then execute this code. Okay, so for no more, uh, let's uh, go to the program for this if else statement. Okay, so here I have already written it. Okay, so in this program we will go to calculate for gross salary of an employee. Okay, so in this program I have four variables: BS, GS, DA and HRA. It means basic salary, gross salary, like this. And okay, and its variables data type is float, because we get the floating point value in the output. So first here I have print this message on the output screen: enter the basic salary, and I have scanned the value variable BS for basic salary, and from here I execute these conditions. Okay, if the BS, it means basic salary, is less than 1500, then this execute this code or calculate this calculation as R equal to BS into 10 into 100. Okay, and DA equal to BS into 90 into 100. And if this false, then execute this else statement. Okay, else statement is execute this when if statement is false, then it will calculate this process in the program. And after this it calculate for the gross salary, BS plus HRA plus DA. First we have to get the value for BS, HRA and DA, then we can find the GS. Okay, and after this I have print the GS or this message on the output screen: gross salary equal to RS dot. Okay, and then return 0. So let's calculate this program or run this. I'm going to first run this, and I enter the value 1000. Okay, and now you can see gross salary equal to RS 2000.00. So how we get this 2000? It means our HR equal to BS into 10 divided by 100. It means our BS is 1000, because I have give it into the terminal or output screen. BS equal to 1000, and 1000 into 10 equal to 10,000. And if we divide the 10,000 by 100, it goes to answer 100. Okay, so like that, DA equal to BS into 90 and then divided by 100, and it means 1000 into 90 equal to 90,000, and divided by 100, it goes to answer 900. So let's calculate this into the calculator. So let me open this, and now you can see our BS is, first I am going to calculate HRA process. So 1000 into 10 divide divided by 100. Okay, now you can see 1000 into 10 divided by 100 equal to 100. Okay, it means this process is true. And now I'm going to get the answer or the value of DA. So 1000 into 90 divided by 100. Okay, now you can see guys, 900. Okay, so our this condition is true because our salary is BS is less than 100 1500, because I give the BS to 1000, it means it is less than this value. So it execute this code and skip this one and then goes to this process. Okay, so our HRA and DA has come. It means HRA is 100 and the DA is 900. So GS equal to BS plus HRA and DRA. So our BS is 1000, okay, plus HRA is 100 plus DA, and the DA is 900. So now you can see we get the value 2000. It means our answer is true. And if I run this program again and enter the salary greater than 1500, as I am going to enter the 1600 and the value, then we get the 3668. Okay, so how we get this, let's calculate it. Now this if condition is false because our salary is greater than 1500, so it execute this code. It means HRA value is already defined in the else statement. We need to solve this calculation for DA. So BS, okay, BS, it means 1000 multiply 98 divided by 100, okay, equal to, let's calculate this, 1000 into 98 divided by 100. It get the value something 980. So here we get 980. Okay, so it means here we have to go on this one code. Okay, let's remove this, and 1000 plus 500, HRE value 500 and the DA value is 980 equal to, let's calculate this again, calculator. Okay, 1000 plus 500 plus 980. Oh guys, wait, 1000 plus 980 plus 500. Okay, oh, what's happened? Oh sorry, 100 plus 500, sorry, 1000 plus 500 then plus 980. Why it goes that again? 2480. Why? Oh yes, 2480. Okay, so 98 our, oh sorry guys, it's a biggest mistake because we give the BS to 1600. Oh sorry guys, sorry for that. So let's 1600, let me first calculate the for the DA into 98 divided by 100. Okay, 156.8. okay guys, so 156.8. okay, now go to the BS. okay, 1000 and then 500 and sorry, then 156.8, sorry, 158.6. oh, then equal to, oh, what's wrong with this? Okay, sorry guys, let's add this value again, calculate this. Okay, 1600 into 98 divided by 100, and now plus this to the for this. Okay, DA plus HRE plus BS. So our HRE is 500 and the BS is that. So now we get the 3668. Now let's check the output again. Okay, 3668. Okay guys, so we get the right output right now. So I hope you understand this stuff in the if else statement in C programming. If this video is helpful for you guys, so please give it big thumbs up and don't forget to press the red button below and share this with your friends. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.